Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to draw the solar plexus design. So at the end you will see me fast forwarding it and I will add to it. I'm not going to show you anything more than this today, but you may be able to see what I do simply by pausing the video. End of the day, it's totally up to you if you want to keep your design simple like this or if you want to add to it. The choice is yours. So we're going to start by drawing a line through the center of our page. Well, I'm not going to this time because I did it on this side of the page, and I will admit I created a boo-boo in my second attempt. So I've decided to save the paper and go with the center point that I created before. So yeah, once you've got your line and your center point, place your compass there and choose the size of your circle. Totally up to you what size you go. You might want to go way smaller than this if you want to create a big mandala around it. From here, place your compass in the top point, and we're going to measure the diameter. And create a point here and here. And do the same from the bottom point and here. And then connect those 2 points. And draw a line through the center. And I'm also going to draw my center line there. From here, find the measurement of the circle again. And place your compass point on the right point of the circle. And draw a wee arc within the circle. Next, we're going to connect this top point with the bottom point. And draw a wee line there. And then place your compass right on that new point. And we're going to increase it slightly until it reaches that point right there. And draw another wee arc within the circle. Hoping this drawing is going to be a bit more accurate than my second attempt. Now we're going to place the compass point back in the center. And reduce it until it touches that point there. And place the compass point on the top point of the circle. And draw a wee circle. Then place your point there and draw another circle. And make your way around the entire circle. Okay, now see the little wee petals we made? We'll call them petals. I'm going to draw lines just on the outside of them, outside of the circle. Like so. And do that around the entire circle. You don't need to draw a line through the center. It just makes things a bit messy. Okay, from here, we're going to connect that point there with that point there. Draw a line. That's going to give us top line of the triangle. From here, place our lead right on that point, connected to the center line. And do the same from this point. The next step is to connect that, see that petal there, with that petal. So we're dividing this design into 20 parts. Next, we grab our compass and we place it in the center of the center circle. And we open the compass until it touches that point right there. And then we draw another circle. Here we connect this point with that point. And then you grab your compass again and open it to that point right there. And draw another circle. So we're going to draw a curve like so. It goes into a point here. So I'm not really happy with how short these petals are. So I'm actually going to add to it. I'm going to do another curve that extends to there, just to make it look a little bit more flowery, I guess. One thing that I always like to do with my creations is I like to actually create 2 circles around the very outside of it. And I'm just going to erase all those lines in the center of the triangle. I think I'm actually going to keep this design nice and simple today. You don't have to draw this symbol inside this design, but you can if you want. I'm just doing it freehand. And there you have it. A very simple yet strong design. If you got any value from this tutorial, please consider subscribing. I look forward to sharing many more sacred geometry tutorials with you in the very near future. Bye for now.